Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the header from the second or third page in a Microsoft Word document. If you have a header on all the pages and you only want it to appear on the first page, here is how you can do it. First, make sure you can see multiple pages at the same time. To do this, go to the View tab at the top of the screen. In the View section, select the option called Multiple Pages. This will allow you to see several pages side by side, making it easier to follow along. Next, click on the header section at the top of any page. Once you click, the header will be selected and you will see the header and footer tab appear. This tab contains several options for modifying the header. Now look for three options in the header and footer tab. The first option is Different First Page. The second option is Different Odd and Even Pages. The third option is Show Document Text. You only need to check the first option, which is Different First Page. When you select this, Word will remove the header from the first page. At this point, the second page still has a header, but we need to move it to the first page manually. To do this, select the header from the second page by clicking on it. Then right-click and select Copy. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. Now go to the first page header, click inside it, and paste the copied header by pressing Ctrl+V. You can also right-click and select Paste. Once the header is pasted on the first page, go back to the second page and click on the header again. This time, press the backspace key on your keyboard. This will delete the header from the second page. If you have additional pages with the same header, repeat this step for the third, fourth, or any other pages where you want to remove it. After completing these steps, the header will only appear on the first page, and it will be removed from all other pages in your document. That is how you remove the header from the second or third page in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.